2016 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, backup camera, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.